it is us, Moses and Kai and Moses. We're out here driving.
About to slay some giant leopard sharks, hopefully.
Yeah.
Big butterfly ray or bat ray. Possibly super.
Who knows?
Never know.
Whatever wants to bite the line and tangle the lines, pretty much. But see you out there.
On top of fresh natural produce.
Alright, tangled lines. Bunch of Guggens. We almost just died trying to cross a road. That was one way, no lights.
They need to make a light there. Like, we legit had to wait there for what, 10 minutes maybe?
Dude, it felt like a lifetime. That was time that this dude's literally parked in a stop. Dude, that's not a parking spot.
It might be.
Freaking Guggens, bro. Anyways, we're trying to find the spot. Bunch of people that don't know how to drive weren't letting us through, but a few good men saved the day for us. That's all we can ask for right now. Now we just need to gain some time because we're losing daylight and it's getting cold.
Daylight, hopefully daylight runs out. Sharks bite better at night.
Apparently.
No,
so we
not
hear.
all the time, not all the time. Sometimes.
Alright, later Guggens. Dude.
So fun though.
Cooper, what do you got?
Trout stuff. Spotty.
It's a trout? What?
No, it's a spotty on trout here.
Oh my god.
No, no, it's definitely a trout, dude. Oh my gosh.
Speckled trout in San
Dude.
Diego. It's stuck.
Dude.
Is it actually?
No, it's just in the, yeah, it's in the grass. I got it.
Dude. This guy just caught a rainbow. I'm just kidding.
Everyone in the bay.
Another spotty. Let's.
More bait. That's probably not illegal.
More
Dude,
bait?
another legal.
No.
More bait. Just kidding.
No,
More
we didn't kill any
tacos.
spiders.
We just said
Some tacos. Dude!
Smooth down?
Dude! We're on!
Smooth down.
What do we got here, Kai?
Smooth down.
Smooth hound.
Let him pull some drag.
Wait. What do we got, Kai? What do we got? Dude. Freaking little guy. All this trouble.
No way, bro. I'm not cutting that. Here, hold this.
Oh my gosh. Guggen!
Killing this fucking shark.
Dude, that's gonna have to get bleeped out. Oh my gosh. Dude, what is this? What did you catch? Dude, look at that little guy.
Yeah, it was peeling drag.
That little guy. Guggen over there got all tangled up. But
Follow my hook.
oh my gosh. Dude, I caught that on camera. You're going to jail. Dude. Dude, shine the light, shine the light.
You want to reel in my MQ?
No, I'm filming.
You need to roll in?
Yeah, it's going to the right.
Alright.
Dude.
Sure you want me to roll in?
Yes, yes, yes. This is like, this might be a dink leopard. Nah. Small bat ray? No, it's right here, it's right here.
Good?
Yeah.
Dude. What do we got?
Probably a bat rat.
Yeah, small bat ray.
Swim towards the
I haven't caught a bat ray in a while.
They're here, dude. They're here. Yep.
Dude.
Left side, same side like on.
That's all I know.
That thing.
I know.
Dude.
That's my line phone.
Look at that. Look at. Let's go. Dude, he's on. Let's go. What is that? The 2500?
Yep.
Let's go. Yes, we on. Let's do this. What we? Oh! Oh! Dude, we're on. Let's go.
Pass me my phone. Pass me my phone.
Where is it?
It's on my chair.
Dude, here you go, here you go.
I like taking the video.
Dude. Dude, let's do this. Let's
Might be a
go.
nice bat race.
Tangled lines. Yes.
This has to be a bat race.
Use them for shark bait, Torrey Pines. Tangled lines. Dude. Reel them. Yes, sir.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Dinkers. Ah, dude.
Get him.
Look what we got. We're on.
Smooth hound, probably. It's something.
Oh, it's right here.
Yep. Smoothie.
You got the
The
big
camera's bad.
one? Huh? You got the